Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel, Whiz Developers. Hope you all are doing great today. And if this video has reached you, this means you are looking for a software for a solution for your loan management system, right? So if you are a loan providing institute who wants to manage your outflows and inflows effectively and easily and are looking for a software for the same, then your wait is over. Yes, I'll repeat, your wait is over. In this video, we will be having some insights on the best microfinance software presently available in India. Yes, the Micro Muneem. This Micro Muneem software is developed by Whiz developers and is the query to all your answers. So our today's agenda is to know about the software, what are its security features, what are its special features, and why Micro Muneem is the best fit for your microfinance institution. So without any further delay, let's start ahead. Based on our experience through various clients, while dealing with various clients, we have come to a common point like the microfinance institution or your microfinance company generally have one or more of these problems with them. Like their recovery ratio is quite less. They are providing thousands and lakhs and crores of loans per month, but their recovery is quite less as compared to the recovery that would have actually been. Or they have multiple branches across the city, across the state, across the district, but they are not able to manage those branches effectively. Along with that, the management of customers is not easy. They are not able to manage their customers properly. Their productivity of their staff is quite less. Or managing the rural area clients is not easy. And the most important part is they are not able to settle the accounting part easily. For example, every institution, every microfinance company must have their books audited at the end of the fiscal year, right? You, if you are a company, if you are providing loans, then you must know this. Okay, so the accounting part is not able, they are not able to manage the accounting part easily. So that's where a software, a full-fledged microfinance loan management system software comes in. And this is why microfinance Micro Muneem software will be the best fit for you. Using Micro Muneem for your microfinance company, you will be able to manage loan distribution and recovery in simpler way. You will be able to manage members or customers efficiently. You can manage multiple branches more effectively as you are doing right now. The automated features are awesome. They will help you in automatize all the data, in gathering all the data and getting insights about the information pretty easily. The accounting is also 100% automated. So as you can see, this is the dashboard for a Micro Muneem software, and here you can see there are small shortkeys that are provided, like members. If you want to create members, new members, you can create it here. The plans, what type of loan you are distributing to the customers, you can create them here. Loan and how you can distribute the loan to individuals and group as well. You can check all the loan details on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, whatever theme you choose. Okay, the collection report is also visible. The collection collect how many EMIs are collecting within the day or within the week. It is easily manageable. EMI receipts, you can give it to your customers to ensure that their EMI is safe and have been received by the company. And settlement, if someone is coming to you and says, like, sir, I have 10 EMIs left, but I want to pre-settle that loan. So you can do that thing with Micro Muneem as well. Here you can see, the data will be visible, your total balance, out of which your cash balance is amount how much, and your bank balance, your total interest that you have generated over these last year, these last couple of months. Okay, the total collection report, collection amount, the disbursement amount, outstanding amount that is being with the client and is yet to receive. The SMS balance, we have integrated the SMS panel as well, through which you will be able to deliver messages to your customers, to your agents, in giving them inputs about the EMIs, their loans, everything. Okay, apart from that, you will be able to see the collection report on daily basis, on weekly basis, and monthly basis as well, and as well as overall basis. Okay, if you look at the left hand of the software, left side of the software, you will be able to see masters, members. Through masters, you will be able to create, multiple branches and multiple employees. You can add employees, you can add members. From here you can create loans. From here you can do the disbursement of loans from disbursement category. The loan summary, you can get it from here. The collection report, like your agent is going to into the field to collect the EMI. You just need to, you can either, there are two ways to collect the EMIs. Either you can give them a printed material, printed copy of, the area wise printed material, like you are going to this area to recover loan from these persons, and the loan amount is that specific amount. So you can give them that. Apart from this, you can also provide them a login access through which they will be able to, settle all the accounts and collect EMIs on real time basis and can feed on your software. So this is what makes a software unique. Apart from that, if you look at this, you can manage the designations. If you are having multiple branches, you will be having multiple admin accounts, you will be having multiple agents, multiple accounts, multiple managers. You can create those designations in the designation list, which is shown here. Apart from that, the permission list you can set in our Micro Muneem software, meaning if you are giving some permissions to the agent, then what all things you want him to see it in his login. Like like if you want him to create new members, do their KYC and disburse loan, you can do that as well. Okay, you just have to give them permissions on the basis of their roles that you deem fit. Okay, so these all things can also be done. Apart from that, you can create several type of loans. Like if you have a normal loan plan, like I am giving a 25% interest rate, and I am charging 25% interest rate on an average loan amount of 10,000 rupees, which can be collected on weekly basis or monthly basis or yearly basis, daily basis as well. Whichever plan you see fit, you can add it here. Apart from that, there are some special plans, customized plan and manual plan, for those individuals who are, who want to make the loan plans based on their needs. Like if you want to have multiple EMI installments, like for first 10 EMIs I will be charging 110 rupees per day. For next 15 EMIs, I'll increase the amount and will charge 150 or 200 rupees. You can do that with our software. Okay, you can charge file charge as well as processing fees. So these all entries will automatically, go into your ledger account, so that it will be managed, on a regular basis. Apart from that, if you look at the voucher, the accounting part, here you will see daybook wise entry, your voucher entries, your payment receipt, your receipt, contra entry, general entry, trial balance. These all things will be managed in this particular software. You don't need to go anywhere. You can manage your clients, you can manage your members, you can manage your branches, you can manage your employees, you can manage your accounting through this single software. So if I talk about the features of Micro Muneem software, so why I'm telling you that it is one of the best microfinance software presently available in India, it's because the system requirement is quite less. You just have to have a good internet connection. You can operate it on phone as well. Plus the anti-theft security we have embedded in it. So your data is 100% safe. The server is cloud-based server. So you don't have to worry about anything. Your data is 100% secured. Okay. Apart from that, features include its mobility. Like you can access data anytime. The operations are totally scalable. You can handle complex calculations easily. Okay, it is quite simple but sophisticated. I am focusing on that. You can track the field recovery executive. You will be able to manage, their daily activities, the daily activities of your field recovery executive. You can do that in this software. You can assign multiple hierarchy levels, like your agent must come into, if your company has a hierarchy level, like agents, 2 or 4 agents combinedly are under. a team leader. So you can assign this hierarchy level as well. Okay, you can assign this hierarchy levels for branch, center, zone wise. Okay, so that the monitoring is improved and the performance tracking and loan surveillance is completely, scalable. Apart from that, group management, you can do group management in this. You can assign different roles and responsibilities to agents, members, or group leaders in case of group loans, and managers as well. Okay, you can create loans as per your business plan. It is 100% customizable. Whatever loan you want to provide, you can do this in this software. If you look at the SMS facility, this means we have integrated the SMS facility in our software. What does it mean? It means that if your recovery agent has gone to a member to collect the EMI, after collecting the EMI, an SMS will be, sent to that member automatically, stating that your EMI has been collected by our agent. Apart from that, once the recovery amount, once the EMI is received at the branch end as well, the message will automatically shoot stating that your EMI has been collected by the branch. After distributing the loan, after disbursement of loan, the client will receive the SMS like your loan amount of this particular thing is processed and is ready to go. So these all SMS things will be present. Apart from that, CIBIL feature, if you want to check the CIBIL scores of the clients, you can do that. We can integrate it in our software easily. So all these things make Micro Muneem, a single stop, one stop solution for your all microfinance related queries. If you want to know more about the software, you just need to click on the bell icon and subscribe the Whiz Developers YouTube channel to get regular updates regarding the software. Else, for the demo version, you can call at 9911551344. We'll be happy to help you out. In the later on videos, we'll be having a look at the demo of this software. We'll be providing demos like how you can create members, you can create different roles, how you can distribute loans, how you can provide loans to the customer. These all things will be taken step by step in the upcoming videos. So make sure you subscribe our channel. If in I'm repeating it again, if you have any queries related to the software, you can just type in the comment section, or you can directly call or WhatsApp at this number. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.